Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this beautiful pattern for a scarf. As you can see, this is the front side and back side looks like that. The pattern starts from here, and if you want to make a scarf, you have to make lots of chains, but just I made it a small samples to show you how you can make this pattern. Let's get started. We're going to start by slip knot, then we are going to make 3 chain, then we are going to make 1 double crochet on the last chain. Again, start, we make 3 chain, then we are going to make 2 double crochet on that stitch, but make sure you take both loops, not only that one, the other one, for 2 double crochet. But you don't finish it, just leave it on the hook and then make 1 more, the same loop. Now you have 3, just make it 1, and we are going to repeat that pattern by making 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. It means that we have to make 3 chain. You have to take the 3 loops here, then make another double crochet and finish. Now we repeat again by make 3 chain, insert the hook and take the 2 loops. We are not going to finish it, we make 1 more, now you have 3 loops, make it in 1. We are going to continue, but you have to make sure always you have 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2, 3. Just all you have to check you don't make a mistake. I'll be back. As you can see here, I have 2 double crochet, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. As I told you, for this pattern, make sure you start with 2 and end with 3. What we have to do, we have to make 6 chain, and from now on we just only work on the one with 2 double crochet. So it means that we are going to skip the one with 3. I insert my hook in the 2 and I make the first cluster. It means that I have to make 3 and don't finish it. Now I'm going to make 1 together. Again I chain 6 and I'm going to make another cluster in this loop. As I told you, we skip that one with 3 and start again by make a cluster here. We are going to make 6 chain, you make one more cluster at the same loop. And we keep continue until we receive to the end of the row. The pattern should look like that. I start the second row by make 6 chain, 2 cluster here, 6 chain between 2 cluster in the same stitch. Again repeat the pattern like that. Now we are going to start row 3 by make 6 chain, and then if you look at here in the same loop I'm going to make 1 cluster, now I have 4, make 6 chains again, and I make one more cluster at the same loop like that. Now we are going to skip that one. As I told you, we are going to work only on the one with 2 double crochet. I insert my hook here and make another cluster. Now we are going to make 6 chain and one more cluster. This is the pattern should look like that. We are going to keep continue until the end of the row. Now I'm at the end of the row. When it comes to that one, I make 6 chain and just I'm going to have a slip stitch on the top of the maybe chain here. And then we are going to finish the work. As you can see here, your pattern should look like that. Now we are going to start to make another one to join it together. Now we are going to join two patterns together. First of all, you have to start to make the same as first row here to start 6, 2 cluster, 6 chain, 2 cluster, 6 chain. When it comes in row 2, you are going to make 6 chains, then you make the first cluster here, then we start, because usually we have to make 6 chains, but now we are going to make only 3 chains. But you have to be careful. This is the front side of your work and this is the back side, and also you have to make sure you take the other part like that, because back side it has to be exactly at the back side of the other one. If you look at here, front side and front side. What we have to do after 3 chains, I'm going to take this one, not the one on the corner, the one at the top, the first one. Make a single crochet. After that we chain 3 and we back to our work and make again in the same loop and the last cluster. Let's repeat it. Now I'm going to skip that one, make the cluster in this loop. Before I make the second one, I'll make 3 chains. Now it's time to join it with this part. Make a single crochet, chain 3, back to our work, and then make another cluster. If you look at here, now you have joined 2 rows together. You have to repeat that pattern on the end of the row by again make first cluster here, chain 3, join it with another chain, single crochet, 3 chain, back to pattern again, and second cluster. Let me do the last one as well to finish the work. Now I'm going to just make a slip stitch on the top of this, then I finish the work. As you can see, now you joined 2 patterns together. If you keep continue to make like the pattern here, I made 4 rows like that. It's up to you if you want it to wider or if you wanted to make it in 3, and if you want to make it longer. And also at the end you can leave it without anything here. This is really nice edge, or if you want to have any different kind of ending here, it's really up to you. I hope you enjoyed the pattern, and if you liked the video, please share it with your friends.